Gordon Gekko. A name synonymous with Wall Street greed and ruthless ambition, immortalized by Michael Douglas in the 1987 film Wall Street. Gekko's character became the epitome of the cutthroat, profit-driven mentality that many associate with the financial sector. His famous line, "Greed is good," has echoed through the halls of finance, influencing a generation of traders and executives. Though merely a fictional character, his impact is undeniably real. The ethos he represents has permeated the culture of Wall Street and beyond, shaping the behavior and attitudes of those who operate in the high-stakes world of finance. From the trading floors to the executive suites, the spirit of Gekko lives on. Gekko's shadow looms large, hanging over the world of high finance, where today real-life geckos walk among us. These modern-day titans of finance are not just characters in a movie, they are influential figures who wield immense power and control vast fortunes. They navigate the complex and often opaque world of financial markets with a level of skill and cunning that rivals their fictional counterpart. Billionaires who command vast fortunes and shape markets with a single trade. These individuals have the ability to influence global economies, sway public opinion, and even affect political outcomes. Their decisions can lead to the rise or fall of entire industries, and their actions are closely watched by investors, regulators, and the public alike. These titans of finance play a high-stakes game where their decisions can make or break companies and even upend entire industries. The stakes are incredibly high and the pressure to perform is immense. In this world, success is measured in billions and failure can mean financial ruin. The strategies they employ are often complex and highly sophisticated, involving intricate financial instruments and cutting-edge technology. But the question remains, are they ruthless predators or visionary capitalists? This is a debate that has raged for decades. Critics argue that these individuals are driven solely by greed and are willing to do whatever it takes to achieve their goals, often at the expense of others. Supporters, on the other hand, see them as innovative leaders who drive economic growth and create wealth and opportunities for many. We'll dive into their world, explore their strategies, and examine their ethics. We'll look at the methods they use to amass their fortunes, from high-frequency trading to leveraged buyouts, and consider the impact of their actions on the broader economy. We'll also explore the ethical dilemmas they face and the regulatory challenges that arise in trying to keep their activities in check. Get ready to meet the real Gekkos. These are the men and women who have taken the lessons of Gordon Gekko to heart and applied them in the real world. They are the power players of modern finance, and their stories are as compelling and complex as any Hollywood script. Join us as we uncover the truth behind the legends and reveal the real-life Gordon Gekkos. Warren Buffett, a name that needs no introduction. He's the epitome of patient investing, and his strategy is quite simple value investing. Buffett seeks out undervalued companies, buys them at a discount, and then holds them for the long term. His success is nothing short of legendary, having built Berkshire Hathaway into a sprawling conglomerate. And his net worth? Over $100 billion. Known for his folksy wisdom and modest lifestyle, Buffett sets himself apart from the stereotypical Gekko image. Jim Simons is certainly different, a mathematician who cracked the code of Wall Street using his weapon of choice algorithms. Simons founded Renaissance Technologies, a notoriously secretive hedge fund that utilizes complex mathematical models to identify trading opportunities. The Medallion Fund, their crown jewel, has generated incredible returns. Simons' net worth over $100 billion. His approach is the complete antithesis of Buffett's, focusing solely on data, speed, and quantitative analysis. Section 4. The activist investor Carl Icahn and corporate raiders. Carl Icahn is a name synonymous with the world of corporate raiding and activist investing. Over the decades, he has built a reputation as one of the most formidable figures in the financial world. Carl Icahn is quite notably a corporate raider, but what does that really mean? Essentially, a corporate raider is someone who buys a significant stake in a company with the intention of making substantial changes to increase the value of their investment. He takes large stakes in companies and then he agitates for change. This often involves pushing for strategic shifts that he believes will unlock hidden value within the company. These changes can range from restructuring the company's operations to selling off underperforming divisions. Icahn pushes for divestitures, demands board seats, and even launches proxy fights. A proxy fight is when an activist investor like Icahn attempts to gain control of a company by persuading shareholders to vote in favor of their proposed changes, often against the wishes of the current management. His tactics are aggressive, but they're often effective. Icahn is known for his no-nonsense approach and his ability to shake up the status quo. His strategies have led to significant changes in many companies, often resulting in increased shareholder value. Icahn has a knack for unlocking shareholder value. By identifying inefficiencies and pushing for necessary changes, he's been able to turn around struggling companies and boost their stock prices. He's made billions by shaking things up. Icahn's success as an activist investor has not only made him incredibly wealthy, but has also cemented his status as a key player in the financial world. In boardrooms across the globe, he's a feared figure. His reputation precedes him, and many corporate executives are wary of his involvement, knowing that his presence often signals significant changes ahead. However, some investors see him as a hero. While his methods can be controversial, there is no denying that Icahn has a talent for identifying opportunities and creating value. To his supporters, he is a champion of shareholder rights and a catalyst for positive change in the corporate world. The impact of corporate raiders like Icahn on company performance can be profound. By forcing companies to become more efficient and focused, they can drive long-term improvements in profitability and competitiveness. Moreover, the influence of activist investors extends beyond financial performance. They often bring about changes in corporate governance, leading to more accountability and better decision-making processes within the boardroom. There are numerous case studies of successful corporate raids led by Icahn. For instance, his involvement in companies like Apple, Netflix, and eBay has been well documented, showcasing his ability to drive significant positive changes. However, corporate raiding is not without its controversy. Critics argue that the aggressive tactics used by raiders can lead to short-term gains at the expense of long-term stability. They also point out that the pressure to deliver quick results can sometimes result in hasty decisions that may not be in the best interest of the company or its employees. Balancing short-term gains with long-term stability is a constant challenge in the world of activist investing. Ethical considerations also come into play, as the actions of corporate raiders can have far-reaching consequences for all stakeholders involved. As the landscape of corporate raiding continues to evolve, so do the strategies employed by activist investors. The future of this practice will likely see a greater emphasis on sustainable value creation and responsible investing. Carl Icahn's legacy in the financial world is undeniable. His career as a corporate raider has left a lasting impact on the way companies operate and how investors engage with them. Whether viewed as a hero or a villain, his influence on the corporate landscape is profound and enduring. Section 5. The Tech Titans, Elon Musk and the New Wave of Disruption. Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur. His journey from a young, ambitious engineer to one of the most influential figures in the tech world is nothing short of extraordinary. Musk's relentless drive and innovative spirit have led him to create and lead multiple groundbreaking companies. He's upended multiple industries: electric cars with Tesla, space exploration with SpaceX. Tesla has not only popularized electric vehicles, but has also pushed the boundaries of what these cars can achieve in terms of performance, range, and sustainability. Meanwhile, SpaceX has made significant strides in space travel, aiming to make space exploration more affordable and accessible. Musk's companies are revolutionizing the world. Tesla's advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving are setting new standards in the automotive industry. SpaceX's reusable rockets are a game changer, reducing the cost of space missions and paving the way for future interplanetary travel. He's also a master of the markets. Musk's understanding of market dynamics and his ability to leverage social media have given him a unique edge. His tweets can send stock prices soaring or plummeting, showcasing his influence over the financial world. Musk's tweets can move stock prices dramatically. This phenomenon has been observed multiple times, where a single tweet from Musk can lead to significant fluctuations in the stock market, affecting not just his companies, but the broader market as well. His net worth has soared, making him one of the richest people on the planet. Musk's wealth is a testament to his success and the value that his companies bring to the market. His financial achievements are a reflection of his innovative ventures and the trust that investors place in his vision. Musk represents a new breed of Gekko. Unlike the corporate raiders of the past, this new generation of leaders is driven by a desire to innovate and disrupt traditional industries. They're not just focused on profits, but also on making a lasting impact on the world. They're tech-savvy, disruptive, and they're not afraid to break the mold. These modern entrepreneurs are reshaping the business landscape with their bold ideas and willingness to challenge the status quo. They are the driving force behind the new wave of technological disruption, and Elon Musk is at the forefront of this movement. The impact of Musk's work extends beyond his companies. His vision for the future includes sustainable energy, advanced transportation, and even the colonization of Mars. These ambitious goals are inspiring a new generation of innovators and entrepreneurs to think big and push the boundaries of what is possible. Musk's influence is also evident in the educational sector. His initiatives, such as the creation of the Ad Astra school for his children and other SpaceX employees' kids, emphasize the importance of fostering creativity and critical thinking from a young age. This focus on education is helping to cultivate the next generation of tech leaders. As a thought leader, Musk frequently shares his insights on the future of technology and innovation. His ideas often spark debates and discussions among experts and enthusiasts alike, further driving the conversation on how technology can shape our world. Inclusivity and collaboration are key aspects of Musk's approach. He believes in bringing together diverse talents and perspectives to solve complex problems. This collaborative spirit is evident in the way his companies operate, fostering an environment where innovation can thrive. Elon Musk's journey is a testament to the power of vision, innovation, and relentless pursuit of goals. His contributions to technology and society are paving the way for a future where anything is possible. As we continue to witness the new wave of disruption, one thing is clear: Elon Musk is a true titan of our time.